What is foreclosure?
Foreclosure is a situation in which a homeowner is unable to make full principal or interest payments on his or her mortgage, which allows the lender to seize the property, evict the homeowner, and sell the home as stipulated in the mortgage contract. 1 month after the homeowner misses a mortgage payment, he or she is in default and will be notified by the lender. 3 to 6 months after the homeowner misses a mortgage payment, assuming the mortgage is still delinquent and the homeowner has not made up the missed payments within a specified grace period, the lender will begin to foreclose. The farther behind the borrower falls, the more difficult it becomes to catch up, since lenders add fees for payments that are 10 to 15 days late. Let's look at a quick example of what a foreclosure situation would look like. This is Dee. She purchased this home from Mac last year. Dee was able to obtain a loan from the bank in the form of a mortgage. But unfortunately, Dee has been spending a little too much time down at Patty's Pub, and Dee hasn't been able to make her monthly payments and now is in default on her mortgage. After the first missed month, the bank notified Dee immediately, but got no response. So after 10 days had passed, the bank again notified Dee that they would be charging her an extra fee per day until the rent was paid as stated in the contract. Now, unfortunately for Dee, who was behind to begin with, making up the payments as well as the extra fees seems impossible. So she just doesn't pay anything. Now, it's been 3 months with no payments. So instead of waiting any longer, the bank chooses to foreclose on the mortgage and Dee is evicted. Looks like she's going to be spending a little more time down at the pub than she wanted. That is foreclosure.